Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Greetings, all. My name is Jamie. My Dharma name is Daikon. I invite you to settle in for a few minutes with me. Bringing all of your ingredients. We're about to cook a meal. Bernie Glassman wrote this beautiful book with Rick Fields called Instructions to the Cook. And it instructs us, and it shows us what this moment is and what happens. I wanted to read you a couple passages from this. I mentioned hungry ghosts the other day. And here's what Bernie said. In Buddhism, the hungry ghosts are pictured as miserable creatures who have huge, swollen bellies and needle-thin necks. Even though they are surrounded by food, they can never satisfy their hunger or thirst because they can only eat or drink one drop of food at a time. Their necks are thin as needles because they are so caught up in their conditioning that they can't accept or appreciate the food that is actually in front of them. Actually, we are all hungry ghosts. It's a metaphor for the part of us that's unsatisfied because of our attachments and our conditioning. We miss the food and drink that's right in front of us. In fact, the ingredients we need to make a meal that will satisfy us are right here, but we refuse to accept the food that's offered. We get taken over by the feeling that we can't do what needs to be done. So we're always looking for something we don't have. Somehow we can't just say, let's take all this and make a wonderful feast. It all comes down to a very human habit. We're always looking for something beyond what is right in front of us. Let's look at what is right in front of us right here. Actually, all those words and excitement makes this moment seem a little quiet. Let's sit for a few minutes. Settling in a little, settling in. I invite you to stay present. Be in your body. Be on your seat. in your room, on your street, in your neighborhood, in your town, on your planet, in your solar system. We are the whole universe. Bring your whole self to this moment. Excluding nothing. There are a lot of parts of me I don't like. I can offer it for our meal. And not keep the parts that I do like to myself. Moment to moment. Giving 100%. Try to let your breathing grow. We're in this together. You belong here. I belong here. Settle for another minute. Letting the pot simmer. The ingredients transform. To the one beautiful moment. Don't hold back anything. Welcome back. How to cook. The transformation section. Cooking, like life, is about transformation. When we cook, we work directly with the elemental forces of fire and heat, water, metal, and clay. We put the lid on the pot and wait for the fire to transform the rice, or we mix the bread with yeast and put it in the oven to bake. There is something hidden, almost magical about it. This kind of transformation involves a certain amount of faith. We work hard to prepare food. We wash the rice, knead the bread, and break the eggs. We measure the ingredients carefully. We mix, stir, blend, but then we have to wait. We have to let the fire and water transform the food we've prepared. I hope everybody has a great day. And allow the transformation to happen. Offer all your ingredients. I should say, I'll be offering all my ingredients to my best. And I'll notice when I'm not. It's okay. That's the great thing, or the weird thing about being a human being. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.